Hit yourself. Whoa. Whoa. As you can see, it's like a sheet of ice everywhere. This is great. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, let's see another one. Pop shove it. Do it, buddy. Oh, it's so icy. I want to see you fall on your head. Stop it.
Ow. Oh, knee.
My turn.
Oh.
There you go.
Pop shove it. This is super scary. My hip broke. My hip is broke. Go. You can do this. Do something extraordinary.
Like your mom?
Yeah. Do like a slide.
Hey.
Do a bunny hop. Try a bunny hop, I dare you. Look at that! Look at those guys sliding, burning out! Come on! No! They were burning out going up the driveway, that's great. The bunny hop right now. Come on.
You ready?
Do a backflip. My turn.